Okay, guys, so you're gonna zoom in on the graph, and when you zoom in, you'll notice that it zooms in until May 7. You see that? You can see the date. You can see it down here. But the thing is that today is May 9, right? So what I wanted to do was that I went to Yahoo Finance, and you probably should do the same thing just for practice. Go ahead and go inside here, and then you want to look it up, right? So we're gonna look up J&J for Johnson and Johnson. J&J, Johnson and Johnson. There it is. What you want to do is actually change the view. So you're going to click on here, and you're going to change it to a candle. You see that I actually already changed it. It's normally the area, so you want to do full screen after you select the candle. And you'll notice that it's actually the same thing that I have here. And what you will notice here is that it's also May 7. You see that? The reason why is because the market is open on the weekends. So today is actually Sunday. So that's actually why. So it will reopen tomorrow on May 10. So that's why you only see until the 7th. But the thing is that you can set up settings to where you can see the market and where the numbers are right before the market opens. So some things that I want to point out was that when I first showed uh, the chart here, I have my distribution open, but I actually turned it off. So that's basically what I did, and I pretty much just selected all the ones that you see here. Then click on done. Once you have done that, you can actually change the view. So for example, one of the cool things that I personally thought was pretty cool. Uh, so let's keep the hollow candle. What I wanted to show you was that if you zoom out a little bit, see this, so you can see multiple months, right? But say that in the situation for us where we are investing in the top performers that are pre-market. So for us, what we would want to do is that as the market opens in the morning at 9 a.m., what we will do is have a view of probably less than 5 minutes, because at the moment that the market opens, we will basically keep an eye of how it performs as soon as it opens. At the moment, I don't really care, because the market is not pre-market. Pre-market just means when the market closes, eventually in the morning it will have to reopen. So you will actually see the times right here. And if you move it towards the left, you will eventually see when it hits 9 a.m. You see that? You see how the colors actually bolded? So that's actually when the market opens. So the whole idea of what we are trying to do is that we're looking at before 9 a.m. So that's what's considered pre-market. That's why we have the 5-minute view. So we are able to see within a few minutes of 9 a.m. So let's say, as an example, 3 a.m. would be even closer than 9 a.m., of course. So you want to move it over to 9 a.m. The whole idea is that you're gonna buy cheap, and then you're gonna try to resell for whenever it goes up. So a quick strategy of how you can think about it is that, like, for example, if you go here, go to the axis, then go to the percentages, you'll notice that whenever you do that and click on done, you'll notice how you can actually see based off the numbers. So I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to zoom out here. I'm going to come back to the very beginning. So I'm scrolling towards the right here. So what I wanted to point out was the number. So you can actually see the numbers do the talking. So you see here on the right, it says negative. See that? Negative 0.13, negative 0.3. So as it goes up, that's how you know that